When most people talk about getting into cybersecurity, they often talk about becoming a penetration tester or a security analyst or really whatever buzzword job title is currently floating around. But what if I told you there is a silent powerhouse often overlooked that is high in demand and also has a super low barrier to entry? And no, I'm not talking about the newest programming framework or the latest AI innovation. It's governance, risk management, and compliance, also known as GRC. You might be wondering, if GRC is so great, why is it not more mainstream like pen testing? You don't go around seeing jobs for GRC on billboards on the freeway. You see pen testing jobs, right? Well, the results for penetration testing can be dramatic and immediate, highlighting specific vulnerabilities and potential exploits, where, in contrast, benefits of GRC are often more gradual, systematic, and preventing issues rather than responding to them after they've already been identified. To give you a better understanding of what a career in GRC looks like, I'm going to not only just dive into what GRC is, but I'm going to tell you what the skills are needed, the expected salaries, and I'm going to show you how I studied to know everything you need to know to land your first job in GRC. GRC encompasses a broad range of disciplines, including law, policy, business management, and of course IT. Encompassing so many different things can make it feel complex or daunting for those looking to enter the field. But what if I told you there's a place to learn everything you need to know to start a career in GRC? A place where there are no prior prerequisites, no prior knowledge needed, and it will teach you everything you need to know in as little as a few weeks. Literally, this course can take you from absolutely beginner with no experience to job ready and ready to start applying for jobs in the market. At its core, GRC is all about establishing a structured approach that aligns with IT and business objectives while managing risk and meeting compliance requirements. Governance, which refers to the overall management approach through which senior executives direct and control the entire organization using a combination of policies and oversight mechanisms. Governance ensures that all parts of the organizations are coordinated and aligned towards achieving a common business goal. Where risk management is all about identifying, analyzing, responding to risk factors throughout the organization in a way that aligns with the business strategies and reduces the likelihood of unexpected impacts. Effective risk management is not only helping protect assets, but optimize business performance. Compliance means adhering to required laws, regulation, standards, and ethical practices that pertain to business compliance and help organizations avoid legal penalties and maintain a good reputation with stakeholders, including customers and partners. Now, why is GRC so critical, especially in the tech industry? Well, as technology evolves, so does the landscape of risk and regulations. Cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated, and at the same time, regulation requirements are becoming more and more stringent. Organizations must proactively manage these aspects, not only to protect themselves from cyber threats, but also penalties that can carry hefty fines if they don't follow the proper compliance measures. Moreover, GRC helps organizations in making strategic decisions by providing a comprehensive view of how well the organization manages and mitigates risks. GRC enables better risk-adjusted decision-making. This is not just about avoiding the negatives, but also seizing opportunities in a way that ensures sustainability and long-term success. Consider the major breaches and compliance failures you've heard about in the news lately. Most of these could have been avoided or prevented with a robust GRC program. From GDPR in Europe to CCPA in California, compliance is no longer just a checkbox, but it is a crucial component of business strategy. If you're considering a career in the field, there are several different key skills and attributes that are crucial to your success. One of the key skills I'm going to mention is having great analytical skills. At the heart of GRC is the ability to analyze complex systems and processes to help identify potential risks. You'll need to understand how different segments of the business interact and the vulnerabilities that might exist between them. Attention to detail, of course, is a major important skill to have. Compliance especially requires a keen eye for detail. You need to understand and apply various standards and regulations accurately to avoid penalties and ensure the organization is meeting all the necessary directives. Communication skills is another vital skill to have for a successful career in GRC. GRC professionals often need to bridge the gap between technical and senior management members. Being able to clearly communicate complex information in a way that is understandable by non-specialists can be essential to a successful career. Problem-solving skills should be a no-brainer for anyone in this position. You often need to find a creative solution to ensure that the organization can achieve its goals while still managing risk and maintaining compliance. And finally, one of the great skills to have in this role is project management skills. Implementing GRC initiatives typically involves projects and coordinating with multiple different departments. Strong project management skills can help ensure these initiatives are successful. GRC careers can vary widely, but here are some roles you might consider if you are looking for a job in the field. The first most common job you'll see is GRC analyst. Focus on identifying and mitigating risks, ensuring compliance with laws and regulations, and supporting governance frameworks. The next role would be a compliance officer, specializing in ensuring that companies follow both policies internally and external legal requirements. Another role is risk management. Risk managers concentrate on identifying potential risks that could affect the business, analyzing these risks, and implementing strategies to help mitigate them. IT governance specialist is another common job title you'll see. People that work as an IT governance specialist work to align IT strategies with business goals, ensuring that IT investments are generating value and managing IT-related risks that might come with those. Starting in a position in GRC can offer a solid foundation to move into more senior roles, such as Chief Risk Officer or Head of Compliance. These positions not only come with an increase in responsibility, but of course, an increase in higher salary. According to industry surveys, GRC professionals can expect a salary ranging from anywhere from $60,000 a year here in the US to $150,000 annually. Now, let's dive into GRC Mastery and talk about how it can jumpstart your career in the field. The first thing that really stood out to me is the way that the course laid out its training. It really made it accessible for anyone of any skill level to really easily understand what was going on. And you don't have to sign up for the course to see the course structure. You actually can see all the modules listed on their website. Your very first modules will take you through the fundamentals to help build up that foundational knowledge. Each lesson built on the last, giving you a fuller understanding of the skills and concepts needed. Myself, I'm a very visual learner. I can't sit down and just read a book or a white paper and just absorb knowledge. I know there's people out there that can do that, but that's just not me. I really like to watch videos and do more interactive hands-on training. And that's one thing I really liked about this course is each video was broken down into these bite-sized little bits of video that you could watch. And at the end of each module, you got to interact with a quiz or a practical assessment. The instructor who actually created this course has over 20 years of experience in the cybersecurity field. And with each lesson, he's not just telling you the theories and things you need to know, but he's actually bringing his real-world knowledge and experience into the training. I've tried actually a lot of different training platforms out there, and one thing that I find often is the material can be just so dry and monotone and difficult to follow. And that's really not the case with this training. The course is comprised of bite-sized training videos that make it really easy to learn in your free time. Each lesson on average is 2 minutes, but often after watching like 1 or 2 videos, I find myself hooked and just eager to watch the next one and keep on learning. But even the instructor mentions that this course was not designed to be rushed through. I would often find myself re-listening to or re-watching lessons just to make sure I got all that knowledge concrete cemented into my brain. Because as with all studies and training, there becomes a point of diminishing return if you start studying for so long. That's why study methods like the Pomodoro method, where you study for short blocks of like 25 minutes and then take a short 5-minute break, are so good and successful. And in all honesty, the way this course is set up makes it really easy to do that. So once you've gone through all the lessons and modules, there is the big capstone project at the end. The capstone project gives you a full company review against the NIST framework. And without going into too many details, this project, you'll conduct a cybersecurity assessment against this mock company, and everything is laid out for you. What the company would do, what the company would say, how the company would behave in each scenario, and the information they would give you to do your job. It is really the closest thing you can get to a real world scenario and gives you an opportunity to implement everything you've learned throughout the course. But the course doesn't just end there. There's actually a bonus section after you've completed everything that includes job finding advice. There's cover letter, CV, and resume advice, and there's even a section in there on how to update your LinkedIn profile to showcase the completion of your course. I definitely recommend heading over to their website, grcmastery.com, if you're interested in learning more, and I also have it linked up down in the description. Now, if you want to build on everything we talked about here today and hear an amazing success story in the process, then definitely you should go check out this video on the screen where I interviewed David, and he talks about how he was able to go from no experience to a cybersecurity professional in as little as 9 months. So go ahead and click this video right now, and I'll see you over there.